Who are you?
He's Willy Wonka.
Well, you're just lucky to be here, aren't you?
I'm the world record holder in chewing gum. I'm not afraid of anything. I'll have you.
Wasn't that just magnificent? I was worried he was getting a little dodgy in the middle part, but then that finale, wow.